This straight up looks like some movie, isn't it?
Sahil is not ready to take off his glasses for some reason. हम आते ही खाना चालू कर दिया और शॉपिंग होगी.
So cozy and comfy. I just take this throw like this, and this is a dream come true, you guys. मेरी height नहीं पहुंच रही. Hi guys, welcome. That's my dog. Yeah. Can I shoot now? Evie? Can I shoot? Okay, thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and are safe at home. And as you guys can see, we have a new space in today's video, like a newer background, and makes me so happy to sit in a new background and shoot you guys. It just gives me so much energy. You wanna say something? What happened? What do you want? Oh yeah, Mau fam loves you. Yeah. So in this video I'm going to share two major things जिसकी वजह से हमारे pockets में dent आ चुका है, which is the sofa and the wardrobe, and also like mini vlog kind of from the first IKEA trip that I did. I did multiple IKEA trips, to be honest. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching.
Hi guys, good morning, and today we have a long day ahead of us. Yes. We are going to IKEA. Woo! So मैं एक बार गई थी IKEA. अभी एक ही बार गए ना हम IKEA अब तक लाइफ में, नवी मुंबई वाला. So this is our second time, so we are gonna act like kids for sure. And वो भी हम 3 साल पहले गए थे almost. So I don't know if कुछ changes हुए हैं, क्या नए collection आए and all of that. But it's 10 o'clock, 10:30 almost. We are going to our friend's place. I'm gonna drop Evie at her place so that Evie is well taken care of, because IKEA में तो पूरा दिन चले जाता है and she cannot stay alone for that long. 2-3 hours के लिए I've trained her to be alone when I have to run errands, but पूरा दिन I don't want to take that risk. इसके बाद हमारा एक प्लान था कि हम कैमरा भी खरीदने जाएं, which is in Fort, but then Fort के बाद नवी मुंबई and then it will be too much. So let's see. I don't know. अभी निधि के घर पे जाने के बाद we'll take a call अगर हम जा रहे हैं कैमरा लेने या नहीं, या फिर हम कल चले जाएंगे. So yeah, that's the plan.
2 hours later.
We have entered IKEA, but Sahil is not ready to take off his glasses for some reason.
Looks good, guys. Please tell me.
There are no paps here. You're not famous.
I'm famous.
Nobody's
Everyone
famous.
looks-
None of
looks
us
at
are
me.
that famous that paps are gonna come inside IKEA and click pictures and put flashes in your eyes, and that's why you're protecting your eyes.
No, it's because you look very pretty now, so you are glowing. तो वो glow से मेरे eyes पे glare नहीं चाहिए, इसलिए मैं sunglasses I'm wearing. Oh no! Today we are gonna do so many things. I'm thinking कि हमें इसमें से जो चाहिए वो हम tick mark कर लें पहले से कि ये तो
By the
for
way,
sure
this map you get on the entrance over
Yeah.
there, जहाँ पे pencil और map होता है, so
pencil
you
भी है,
can
and
just.
you know वहाँ पे measuring tape भी है, by the way.
Oh wow!
तो measuring tape भी हम तो लाए हैं, but
Yeah.
वहाँ पे भी available है, and we should write all of these things जो हमें चाहिए.
Guys, I think IKEA knows that I'm coming today, so they got this. Kidding. But I'm definitely gonna pick these storage cans or canister, whatever this is called. भाई ये सोफा में समा जाएंगे हम लोग. I don't think हम आज निकलने वाले हैं यहाँ से. 2 minutes later, we are still not in the shopping zone. हम आते ही खाना चालू कर दिया, because हमने नहीं खाना खाया था सुबह भी, and it's lunch time, so.
20 minutes later.
And we restart our journey of shopping after eating.
Yeah, somebody took my lavender canister.
Oh no! असत सोडणार तर तसंच होणार. Guys, मैंने बोल दिया मानसी को कि अकेले शॉपिंग करे. I'm sleeping for a while. Okay?
और कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था मुझसे मैंने ऐसे.
ये सब झूठ बोल रही है. वो मुझे उल्टा बोल रही थी कि तू शॉप करके आ, मैं यहाँ पे सोफा पे रेस्ट कर.
उठ जा भी.
Let's go.
Many unbearable hours later.
चलो, गुड नाइट. नहीं उठना.
इसको माइग्रेन चल रहा है. चल.
पानी पी, पानी. Drink water.
हर चीज का इलाज is not water.
It is. You
I
guys
know why
don't
you
drink
men are
water.
like this.
You
पोट
don't
दुखतंय,
eat.
पाणी पी.
बरोबर
खोकला
आहे.
येतंय, पाणी
पाणी नाही पितं तर असंच प्रॉब्लेम होणार.
पाय तुटलाय, पाणी पी. Everything is not पाणी पी.
पानी पी ले, ले ले. ठंडा हो जाएगा. पानी पी ले.
ऑलरेडी सुसु आ रही, तो मेरे को सुसु भी नहीं जाने
चल
चाहिए।
चल
पानी
अभी
दे रहा
अभी
है।
वॉशरूम में है।
नहीं, मेरे को सुसु जाना
अरे अंदर ही वॉशरूम है, इधर ही कर ले। ओह नो, ड्रीम सेटअप। कर रहा हूँ मैं, बट अभी ये दिख गया तो ऐसे सपना था एक गेमर बनने का।
75th hour later, we have come to the second level. और मेरा माइग्रेन इज, oh my god, my head is throbbing. अभी हमारे 2 ट्रॉलीज हो गए हैं एंड अभी तक कुछ नहीं था एंड सडनली वी हैव लाइक 2 full trolleys and everything is bought from the bathroom section only. But my husband is behind, guys. He's coming. ये रग्स आ गए और शॉपिंग होगी। So my dad is fond of gardening and I've gotten it from him and I genuinely want to start gardening. But मेरे जो नए घर में जो जूना स्टूडियो था उसमें अलाउड नहीं था बिल्कुल भी बाहर प्लांट्स रखना. So I could not, at that time Evie was babu, so she could eat the matti vatti, so I did not do. But now I think I'm gonna get this one and I'm gonna start gardening. I did not know that IKEA has real plants also, so I can actually shop for real plants. Will you help me with gardening?
Okay.
We have a kid in town.
Boys will be boys, guys.
It's 8:35 and how many hours it's been? हम सुबह कितने बजे निकले घर से? 11 बजे.
No. Earlier, na 10 a.m. I think.
10 a.m.
10 or 10:30, I think we left.
बाप रे. It's been so many hours. It's just exhausting at this point. But
मजा आया.
बहुत मज़ा आया. बट हमको बेड और जो सोफ़ा चाहिए था वो मिला ही नहीं. So that is why थोड़ा अनप्रोडक्टिव लग गया मेरे को. बट ठीक है, लाइट्स 2-3 लिए हैं, ऑर्गेनाइजर्स खरीद लिए. हमको मेन तो रग और वो उसके लिए जाना था, बट हमने क्वालिटी देख लिया. अभी लेट्स सी क्या करना है. लेट्स टेक मेजरमेंट्स अगेन प्रॉपर्ली एंड देन वी विल सी व्हाट टू डू.
बट बाकी सब भी काम की चीजें मिली है.
या एंड रिगार्डलेस वी कुड नॉट इवन कीप द सोफा एंड बेड इन द कार एनीवेज. तो ऑर्डर तो वैसे भी ऑर्डर ही करना पड़ता. सो या अभी हम निकल रहे हैं यहाँ से. लेट हो गया काफी. वी हैव टू पिक अप ईवी, देन वी विल गो होम. स्टे ट्यून्ड, लेट्स गो.
Several days later.
Hi guys, so I don't know what date it is. I'll pop it on the screen, but my sofa is here. As you guys can see, big boxes. आज assembly होने वाली है and we also have my IKEA PAX wardrobe coming in. उसका assembly आज नहीं है, वो 17 तारीख को है, like few days later. But yeah, I am excited, nervous at the same time because साहिल नहीं है and ये सब मैं खुद करा रही हूँ. And dealing with vendors, I get very anxious. So yeah, they are gonna come for PAX and then sofa का assembly आज होने वाला है. So I will show you how the finished product looks like after the sofa is assembled. I'm so excited. कल रात को हमारा जूना जो सोफा था जो पहले वाले स्टूडियो में था, that went out of the house and I was so happy because वो already टूट चुका था. So yeah, it was time that we had to change and get a new sofa. Okay guys, so there were total 32 items. इतना सारा आ गया सामान and ऊपर just लगा, but ठीक है, it didn't break. I think there is a little bit of chipping that has happened. I will fix it. And then there is one more, like there are 2 over here. I'm actually worried how they are going to assemble it because ये इधर से लेके मतलब यहाँ से लेके वो वाले रूम में जाना है and यहाँ पे एक बीम आती है. So I don't know if it will enter this room. मैंने ये रूम पूरा खाली करके रखा हुआ था because यहाँ पे सारे वो PAX wardrobe आने वाले हैं. But yeah, let's see when the assembly people come, they'll take a call about it. So far so good. I haven't had lunch, neither has Evie, so I'm gonna give her food and then we're gonna wait for the Urban Club guy who's gonna assemble the sofa. Guys, my sofa is done. Look how luxe it's looking. Oh my god, like, and it's so huge. Evie, are you liking the sofa, Mamash? Come up. Yes, good job. Are you liking the sofa, Mamash? She's smelling the new stuff. Hey, no scratching, okay, Evie? Okay, so now I need to get this ये side पे because यहाँ पे बहुत जगह छूटी है. Actually, this was supposed to be like a 50-minute job, but because we customized the entire place, so this corner sofa you won't get exactly in IKEA. ये आपको अलग-अलग parts लेने पड़ेंगे. ये बाजू के armrests भी अलग से लेने पड़ेंगे. And these 3 are detachable. So that guy actually had to drill all of these together, and that took 3 hours. He came at 3:30. Right now it's 6:30 sharp. 3 घंटा बेचारे वो अंकल काम करे जा रहे थे and I took his videos in awkward positions to show you guys कि अर्बन कंपनी सच में बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. I mean, some guys are nice, some guys are not. Like I have had mixed opinion. Not sponsored by Urban Company, but yeah. Anyways, I have to push this side. Now this lamp, I don't want it here. This is like my studio वाला lamp, but दूसरा जो lamp है वो अब तक हमारा हुआ नहीं है, तो I don't know what to do. This green thing I'm gonna remove for sure. ये जो जूने वाले स्टूडियो में था वो. And yeah, let's get to work. I think everything is looking so aesthetic. The sunset is happening outside, you guys. Anyways, I think यहाँ पे बस एक wallpaper आने की कमी है. Wallpaper and maybe like a framework or something. I was thinking to get moldings done as well. So let's see time कितना हमको साथ देता है. But the sunset and sitting with your dog. I wish Sahil was here. He will be here in some time. But yeah, cute.
Several days later.
Hello. I am in my bed. I have showered, by the way. You can hear thuk thuk is because बाजू वाले रूम में IKEA assembly finally हो रही है. Okay, so this is how the sofa looks like at night, and I'm obsessed with this corner that has been set up. Of course, I need a wallpaper here, but that's gonna take a while, and I'm gonna show you how things look in the evening, because I feel a lot of you guys are DMing me when I posted these pictures on my Instagram story. If you don't do that already, please go ahead and follow Manasi Mao on Instagram as well. So वो stories देखने के बाद सबने इतने compliments दिए कि this does not look like India. Oh my god, the sunsets are beautiful. The corner looks as if it's a 5-star hotel and whatnot. Like, I got so many compliments and I'm so grateful, because I took one decision, Sahil and I both rather, that we won't put a single tube light in this house. It will be always warm lighting, and it will be like key lights here and there, like profile lights. So I will talk about all things light in another video, where I will be talking about everything that I have done electric work wise. But yeah, this is how the sofa looks like. I've got this throw, which is also from IKEA. I'll be linking all of these products in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. If you are thinking where is this lamp from, it's from Amazon. वो भी आपको दिया जाएगा description box में. I'm obsessed. Like, it's so cozy and comfy. I just take this throw like this, and we watch TV, which is right here. Evie's gonna join me very soon. Come up, come jump, Evie. She's trying hard. Come, come. Sometimes I just like take these cushions, keep it here, watch the sunset, and edit. Sometimes I sit here, eat my food. Like, we have a center table over here, जो पुराने studio में भी था. We are gonna get a new one because उसका पूरा सनमाइका निकल चुका है. Okay, so we have kind of customized this sofa. Now the series called Söderhamn. I don't know how to pronounce these Swedish names. Sorry if I'm butchering it. But this is the series that we have bought. And in that, there are different categories. So for example, there's a lounging chair, then there's an L-shaped sofa, then there is like just a long, like 2-seater sofa. Then there is a very massive sofa which is like meant for mansions and villas, which is also a corner sofa, but like a triple size version
of this. So we chose this. Now this looks like as if it's a 3-seater because 1, 2, 3 cushions आपको दिख रहे होंगे like नीचे, but it's not. It's massive. Like Sahil can fit in this. इसका पूरा length is 6 feet by 6 feet approximately, and we added these armrests जो इसमें अगर आप corner sofa खरीदने जाओगे पिक्चर में अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. So that's what Sahil and I decided that अगर armrest नहीं होगा साइड में तो मजा नहीं आएगा. So you can actually customize your sofa kind of. So I got this added. So these armrests I'm talking about, 1 and 2 over there. So these costed us around 9.9, around 10,000 rupees extra for the sofa, and I think it's one of the best decisions that we made because without the armrest the sofa would have looked blah. Okay, right now I am standing in my walk-in. My voice is echoing a little bit because zyada piece of furniture hai nahi. This is the only piece of furniture that we have. This is like the first bit that I wanted over here, and I'm gonna show it to you कि हमने exactly जुगाड़ क्या किया है. कम सो ये बहुत आगे है, ये पीछे जाएगा और बट बिकॉज जो लाइटिंग अंदर की हुई है वार्डरोब की उसका कनेक्शन हमने पीछे किया हुआ है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी, बट ये सब वहाँ पे हो रहा था एंड वहाँ पे देयर वाज द रेगुलेटर ऑफ द fan. Because of that, the wardrobe could not completely stick to the wall, which is essential for such a heavy duty wardrobe. So we had to खींचोफाई द लाइन विच यू गाइज कैन सी, एंड हमने यहाँ पे सारे स्विच लगा दिए हैं एंड अभी ये वार्डरोब थोड़ा पीछे जाएगा. आई नीड अ लॉट ऑफ मैन पावर फॉर दैट. सो टुमारो वी आर गोना कॉल फॉर हेल्प एंड पुश इट बिहाइंड, बट let me show you how it looks like with just the wardrobe lights. Okay, so there is no light as of now. It's completely backlit because पीछे से sunset हो रहा है. मैंने जो light थी वो बंद कर दी है. I'm gonna switch on the wardrobe lights. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. It's quite bright and this is a dream come true, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna show you much because I want to make like a complete video when the walk-in is completely finished. यहाँ पे एक partition डाला हुआ है, so longer dresses can go over here and there won't be any issue. Shorter dresses will be here and then there are drawers here. That's it. That's all I'm gonna show you. वरना walk-in closet का मजा नहीं आएगा जब आप वो वीडियो देखोगे. But yeah, that is how my wardrobe looks like, you guys. So there is one light that we have purchased for the hallway. So when you enter the house, there is a pretty massive area which is like a entryway kind of a situation which we are gonna decorate over here. We have a lot of ideas, Sahil and I both, but this was Sahil's idea that he wanted this lamp right here and it looks so beautiful. Let me show you कि वो खुलता भी है and कैसे दिखता है. वाओ, पचका, मेरी हाइट नहीं पहुंच रही. I shall not give up. मैंने स्टूल लाया हुआ है. So you can increase and decrease the brightness kind of according to your need. तो हम शाम को ऐसा dim light ही रखते हैं. So cute. We have got one more profile light. This is also from IKEA. I'll be linking this as well. बाहर इतना प्यारा sunset हो रहा है. Can't like, oh my god, this is beautiful. All right, you guys. So that is it for today's video. This straight up looks like some movie, isn't it? Anyways, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down what other videos you want me to do. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Also, I am posting frequent shorts and reels. So don't forget to switch on your notification bells. जब भी shorts आएंगे आपको पता चल जाएगा. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to Manasi Mau and More Mau. Bye!